we will be talking about Sushant Singh Rajput, who unfortunately is found dead in his room on 14 June 2020 at Bandra West, Mumbai, India. Initial cause of death is established as suicide. Sushant Singh Rajput was a bright guy star of Indian film industry. He was nicknamed as Guddu by his colleagues and friends. The veteran actor was born on 21st January 1986 and was of 34 years of age. His birthplace was Patna, Bihar from India. His zodiac sign was Aquarius. He had a unique physical appearance which was attractive and photogenic at the same time. He had 5'10" height, black hair, black eyes. Guddu had his earlier schooling at St. Karen's School, Patna. For college education, he went to Patna College of Technology, Delhi. From there, he passed 12th grade exams, which was his highest education. He tried to do a degree in mechanical engineering, but ended up as a dropout. His total educational career was about 12th grade. By nationality, he was an Indian actor with religious values of Hinduism. Among his favorite male actors was Hrithik Roshan, the famous एक पल का जीना, Today we call a song, खाली हाथ आए थे तुम और खाली हाथ जाओगे. And female actors, he liked the great Madhur Dixit. His favorite movie was Pyasa, released in 1957. His favorite food was fish fried fish curry. His favorite place to visit was London, and his favorite car was dark blue Range Rover Maserati Quadrifour. By profession, he was an actor, and his hobby was dancing. He really loved to dance. His debut movie was Kai Poche, released in 2013. He began his career in TV in 2009 from Pavitri Rishta, which was on air from 2009 to 2011. His income per movie was around 5 to 6 crore. His net worth is estimated to be around $5 million. Modi ji was also found mourning his death along with Kejriwal that he was too young to be gone. An investigation has been started to know the real cause of death, but still date. Initial investigation found that the cause of death is a suicide. The time till the investigation explains and confirms was it a suicide or a murder. But the family and the fans have to bear the loss they have bear today. The great actor is no more. Today, big loss has been incurred not only the Indian film industry, but a great human being is no more with us. So let us pray together for him so that his soul may rest in peace.